197.
I missed the strap that shit.
So my husband decided that instead of waiting till he gets his truck back, that we would use the cars to take the kayaks out. How many minutes did it take you, Jer?
To strap them down?
Yeah.
Like 45 minutes to an hour.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't used to, because I had to put two in one car. In one car and one on top of the car.
Yeah. Yeah. This is what I have to live with, guys.
Don't lose your kayak for that thing. Ooh, hang on. What's that? Get ready for the waves. Oh, it's leaving. I want to go to that bridge. What? Yep. At the moment. Yep.
Concord Park on our kayaks. Jeremy's being annoying because he wants to stop and fish and I want to explore. But aside from that, it's kind of chilly.
No, it's not.
Because I'm getting wet.
Feels good.
But aside from that, it's fun.
Ah! Bumper kayaks! No, this is a kayak, not a boat.
Still winning.
I'm not. I'm letting you win. This is your show. I'm letting you in. Shit. We're going back underneath the bridge. I don't know. To the end of this. No, we're not racing the bridge, to that tree right there.
Cove area. It's kind of creepy, but I kind of really want to go back in there. Look at all this, whatever it is. Hey Jared, there's a huge fish over here. Okay, I'm really scared that there's a snake. The creepy, scary cove that possibly might have snakes without Jared, because he is slower than molasses in February. Because look at him just sit there. Yeah. All he cares about is the stupid fish. Even though I tried to tell him there's a huge fish over there, looks like a catfish, and I'm not really 100% sure. But look at him just sit there, like he doesn't care. Slower than molasses in February. Guys, coming to you live.
Over there?
From the middle of the lake, close to the creepy, scary cove over there that might possibly have snakes. And I'm really bored because Jared likes to play with fake fish on his fishing rod instead of actually trying to catch the big fish that I told him is over there, which I'm 99% sure that it is a catfish. But you know, I don't really know. Anyway, just sitting here, bored. Okay guys, I'm sure that my hair is like super weird because of the hat, but I just want to explain to you that I have this huge irrational fear of snakes, like big time, like afraid of snakes. So I guess it's really weird that I might have a fear that a snake might jump in this boat with me and then I might have to jump out of the boat, because that would be really scary. Guys, look at the train! Listen at it blow! Okay guys, my irrational fear of snakes is over because I really love trains. Okay, I was paying way too much attention to the train, and I think I might have lost my husband to like an anaconda or something. Oh no, there he is. Do you see the big fish? Do what?
See how deep it was over here. Yeah, I saw it.
Why didn't you try to catch it?
That's too shallow.
You know what? You need a fishing net. You could have caught him with a net.
It's only like 6 inches deep.
Yeah, I know. But you could have caught the fish.
I saw it.
You could have caught him with a net.
What?
You could have caught him with a net. Do snakes jump though, really? Like, will it jump at me?
No. Are you recording that? No, it's not gonna jump at you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Break. Don't you break.
Oh my gosh, Jared's got a fish!
Fuck is huge.
I can tell! Oh my gosh! I told you! Got to take a picture of this damn fish. No, did you lose him?
In my face. Oh, I can take a picture.
Hey, you know what? I got it. Remember that big fish that Jared caught that he thought he lost his lure?
I'm so happy.
Look at that.
I'm so happy.